dearie, it is only now that I decide to write my thoughts down due to some strange events that have been happening lately. My name is X-Lot, or X for short, and I am a demand hunter. Many news stations have been talking about a rumor that has popped out of nowhere. It says that a huge event is going to happen soon. People in the city seem fine, including my friends Lavender, Rose, Arth, and Phonics. I hope the others are alright too. I might go see them soon. Ember and his friend Christopher are currently playing games on the Switch right now. It's Saturday, so it's a great December day to relax. I'm going to go and see Tulip and join her now. See what they want to do today, maybe bury the snowman. We all agreed we'd update each other if more events begin to unfold. I'll write more if anything more happens. Me and Ember were just chilling at a park when suddenly I got a message from Lavender. It said to come to her place at once. I told Ember, and he said to jump on board. As soon as we arrived, Lavender began to ramble about a huge snowstorm that would be coming this way in just a few hours. She'd already told the others to make their way to her place as soon as possible, too. As soon as Ember heard that, she reversed quickly and out of sight. I wonder where she is going. Suddenly we all got an alert on our phones. It said to avoid windows and get to the nearest source of heat as soon as possible. Gather as much food as supplies. Camping gear, water, and everything of value to you. We all scattered around Lavender's home and grabbed everything we could before huddling together with pillows and blankets to keep warm as we braced ourselves for the storm. But then we saw Ember and Christopher outside with a train of cabooses, cranes and plows. They yelled for us to get on board. Once we boarded their train, we saw something that made Phoenix faint. Darkness suddenly came and we all yelled at Ember and Chris to chuck it. Ember and Christopher were probably the most scared out of all of us, and I don't blame them one bit. Cabooses that we were in anticipation were furnished to keep us warm, but Ember and Christopher were ones outside, so probably motivated to run faster. I hopped into Ember's cab and Lavender hopped into Christopher's cab. Lavender looked back and was frightened to see the dark clouds behind us. We both then heard heavy bolting on the roofs of the train cars, so we and Lavender shoveled more before the both of their finances. We didn't manage to escape the grasp of the storm. Ember and Christopher are catching their breath right now. Currently, we are setting up camp here while we think of our next move. All I hope is that me and my friends don't freeze before we escape this winter hellhole. Anyways, Abe and Duck are heading out to a nearby gas station to see if there was anyone hiding any food or if there was a working television.